Hi everyone, I had a couple of questions about how to proceed from one level to another and do like an intro screen. So let's say I have an intro world and I want to say here like something like press a button to continue. So the easiest way to do that is to go into Google Docs and type press whatever, S or whatever you want to do to start. So that would start level one. I can zoom in on it. And in the Google Doc, I can change the fonts. I can do whatever I want to do and make it bigger. Sure. Okay. And so I'm going to get off that and I'm going to use my snipping tool on Windows. I'm using a Mac, so I'm just going to take a screenshot of this and it's going to become a file like that. And then an actor, I'm just going to make another actor here. And the actors, I'll just call it, press S, I guess. It's not really an actor, then I'm going to like move around the screen, but I want the ability to put this on the screen. So I'm going to set the image. I'm going to import from library, and then I go and I find that file that I just took a screenshot of. For me, it's this one right here. And I guess, if I'm doing this right, I should rename that, so I'll call that press S. Okay, and then you can see here that it's huge, but it's working. So now I'll go to intro, and just like we did before, I'm going to add an object, new press S, and I'll put it wherever you want. Just for the purposes of this tutorial, I'll put it here. And I should probably, because it's so big, I can set the scale. We've learned how to do that. So I get the image of the object and I scale it to be, say, 100 or 200, I guess, whatever, 200 by, say, 60. Oh, an error. That image? Sorry. Oh, I'm on the world. Sorry, I shouldn't be on that there should be in the press S constructor, not in the world constructor. So I'll go back to here, and in here, because it's an actor, I have to make the constructor. So public press S, and then in here, paste. There we go, this should work. Sometimes it needs a little bump. Needs compiling, alright, compile. And it's not. Oh, looks like it may have frozen on me. That's okay. One sec. All right, and we're back. So this worked finally. Just had a little crash, but nothing was wrong. So the code's all the same. And then in the press S, in the code, in the act method, what I would do is I would just put if Greenfoot dot, and then I hit control space is key down, and if they hit S, then all I want to do is switch the worlds. So I think I set the world to be a new level 1, like so. I think there's something I forgot here. I want to set the world, and I guess this is a good example of what I do all the time. You know, there's lots of different programming languages. I've momentarily forgotten how to set the world in Greenfoot. So I go Greenfoot, switch worlds. See how to switch worlds Greenfoot. And you can instantly kind of look it up. It's not very hard. Usually I can find the code actually in the comments if I look hard enough, but not here. I'll have to click. And ultimately I'll find it. Greenfoot.setWorld, that's what I was looking for. So I go back to my code and Greenfoot.setWorld new level 1. So if I run this now and I press S, it takes me to level 1. Okay? So you can make intro screens, you can add different things to them. They don't have to run, and just you can have instructions, you can do whatever you want, and have those screens pop up. And then when I hit S, I move to level 1, the game would start, and then maybe when I hit the portal or whatever it is, if I get a certain score, then I move to like the after level 1 screen. So you can put in all different intros and instructions and all that kind of stuff. Okay? So I hope that code helped. Good luck.